Is the world on the edge of another major war? Could tension between the US and Iran explode into a full scale conflict? One side, the world's most powerful military, and on the other, a strategic force dominating the Middle East. And if this clash escalates, it won't just affect two countries, it could shake the entire world. Today we break down the latest updates, real reasons, and what could happen next. Hello everyone, welcome back to Global Affairs Academy. Today we are diving into the rising tension between the United States and Iran, a situation that is rapidly evolving. Is this political pressure or the beginning of something much bigger? Recently, several major developments have taken place in the Middle East. The United States has increased its military presence in the Gulf region. Iran has issued strong warning of retaliation if attacked. The Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most critical oil routes, is once again under threat. There are reports of rising indirect clashes with proxy groups increasing attacks in the region. This clearly shows this is no longer just political tension. The situation on the ground is becoming serious. So why is this situation happening? Number one, nuclear program concern. The US fears Iran could develop nuclear weapon. Two, power struggle in the Middle East. Iran is expanding its regional influence while the US is protecting its allies. 3. Oil and global trade route. The Strait of Hormuz carries a significant portion of the world's oil supply. Any disruption here could impact the global economy. So this is not just a regional issue, it's a global concern. If this conflict turns into a full-scale war, oil prices could skyrocket, global market could crash, multiple countries could get involved. The US has advanced military technology, but Iran has strong regional networks and geographical advantages. This wouldn't be a short conflict and its impact could last for years. So what is the situation right now? Both sides seem to avoid direct war, but provocations are increasing. Experts describe this as controlled tension. But the real situation is how long can it stay under control? So is the world heading toward another global war? It may be too early to say, but the risk is definitely real. What do you think? Would the US and Iran actually go to war? Let me know your thoughts in the comment and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Thank you.